Welcome to today's session, where we'll explore how to convert integers into 12-hour formatted strings with appropriate AM and PM suffixes. This is particularly useful in creating time-related outputs in your applications. The goal is to take any integer and convert it into a 12-hour time format with an AM or PM suffix. This includes edge cases such as 0 for midnight and 12 for noon, as well as values exceeding 24. The function begins by checking for specific edge cases like 0 or 24 for midnight and 12 for noon. If none of these cases apply, it uses the modular operator to convert the integer into a 12-hour format and appends the appropriate AM or PM suffix. Here's the logical flow. First, we handle the edge cases, then decide whether the integer corresponds to an AM or PM time. The modular operator is used to ensure the output stays within a 12-hour format. Let's analyze some examples. Input 0 is midnight, which translates to 12 AM. Similarly, 11 remains 11 AM, whilst 13 becomes 1 PM. For values like 25, the logic wraps them around to return a valid 12-hour time format. This solution leverages ES6 features such as the arrow function for brevity and the ternary operator for compact conditional logic. These modern syntax improvements make the code easier to write and understand. This approach is commonly used in applications like digital clocks, scheduling systems, and any tool where user-friendly time formatting is essential. In summary, this program simplifies the conversion of integers into human-readable time formats with the AM and PM suffixes. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool for a wide range of applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.